Good evening once more. So this is a video about email marketing. Again, the first email was curiosity email, and this one is going to be about giving value. So we're going to be giving something away on my value email. I gave away an email marketing course, so I talked about how email marketing was what was a great thing, and how this course can help you write emails and increase open rates and click-through rates and sales. So we're talking about email marketing. Then there's a course, and then hopefully would buy it. So this is the same kind of idea. It's about giving value. So I've wrote some notes as what it's not. It's not like promoting yourself or your business or really anything like that. We're talking about the benefit of Instagram and how it can be used, and then the course sort of ties in with our email. So we're going to talk about Instagram, what it is, how it can actually help someone get in Instagram traffic, how it can increase followers, giving value to your customers through Instagram, and how reels are good. And then talk about Instagram course. So if you're a great copywriter, it's easy. If you're not, it can be quite challenging. And then there's a new click bank I've got. So go to marketplace. Instagram. There's some there, mastery, or let's see, I'm using ChatGPT, so you can click on that, and then it allows you to share the link. So that's what your link would be, and not really our business or part of it or anything else, because the email is about Instagram. So I've got ChatGPT already. Done this earlier. So what do we write at? But the bullet points or the of that, but this, it's not just a computer, it's artificial intelligence. It's really took the world by storm. So what headline would we have wrote, or would it have been any good? Here is great, maximize your, so there it is, you want everything to be 100% or more, and your potential should be thing. When you're reading this, that, oh, we've got potential using Instagram, and it talks about growing, and that's what I want, of falling to grow. So that's a great headline. This bit we don't use because they're already on our list, and it's just wrote it marvellously, I think. Perhaps you are a copywriter, but I wouldn't think so if you're watching to want to know more. But it writes it as good as anything wee bits will take out. So we've emailed them before, so we're not really going to put that bit in. In this digital age, a strong presence social media platforms like Instagram, and let's talk a bit about it and you can put in your company name if it's Moss, part of it, put that in, and it's talking about leverage Instagram. Scroll down, it's too fast for me. And it's talking about how Instagram be used, as we put in what the course is about, and the points that it can do, which are put in. So it's really great, and you would take out this bit. There's no code at the checkout, and we wouldn't have this bit in either. If you go inside our email system, which I'm not going to load up just now, you click the pay-per-click, and then you hyperlink the words, so you give a great call to action, like access now, and this AI can give you the tips on it, and then you'd hyperlink it and then it comes up a box to put your link in, and you just put that in, and when you've sent the email out, then you could get good open rates. If we go to newsletters, it's about 11%, so that's really good. We're wanting 30%, but nevertheless, still not bad. So we've got access to our lifetime partner program. That'll be in the description. Should really take a look at it. It'll help you start in an online business and learn the tools that you need to have. And then my next video will probably be about a story email, and then that'll be the next one. I'll probably put a link in the story email because we're telling our story, so we'll learn more about that next time. Bye bye for now.